Hi, I'm Eimear Magner. I'm farming here just outside Rathkeelan, County Limerick with my parents and my brother. We're calving 150 split calving. So basically first thing in the morning time, I go in, I check the feeder. Just run down through to make sure all the calves have drank. If I've noticed any of them that have not drank, just to see when was the last time they drank, how much they drank the last time. Then it will indicate to me if there's a sickness issue. I would go in and check the calf just to see, is he comfortable, is he lying down, or does he have some stomach problem, or afraid of touching pneumonia or anything like that. Definitely since we installed Evolution, it's one of the best investments we did. Overall, on a daily basis, in the springtime, we probably save 2.5 hours in the whole day. The most thing I noticed about them this year is the calves are a lot more content. For the first time ever, I've seen calves lying down all throughout the day. They're chewing their cud, they're relaxed, they're content. I could go into that shed 10 times, 20 times a day and they will not get up. They won't be roaring looking for feeding. You could go in around them, walk around them, they'll stay lying down. The only time they really get up is to eat and to drink, that's it really. So the machine cleans itself twice in the day. Basically all I do is go in, check the machine to make sure that there's enough there to clean, and there isn't much to it really. You just make sure the cycle is running and that it is back in time for the calves for feeding. I would 100% recommend it to different farmers. As I mentioned already, it's definitely farmer friendly. It's very easy for anyone to access. The information is there in front of you, or anything that happens you can see it straight away. The second one is you can feed 2 powders, which is great. And the service that we was given, JFC, I would definitely recommend them. There has been a few guys that came to see the feeder and they have gone ahead and put them in.